Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, guess what? We are going to have a little Louis Vuitton unboxing. Yay! So guys, hopefully you have seen my latest Louis Vuitton shopping adventure at their flagship store at Greenbelt. And I was able to snag, in my opinion, a unicorn piece from Louis Vuitton, and I'm so excited to be sharing this to you. So if you want to find out what's inside this very beautiful Louis Vuitton paper bag, please stay tuned. Hi guys, Ron here, looking budgetary and fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest news about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on Instagram.com/Amirafai so you could get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, so let me just get the Louis Vuitton paper bag. But the short story guys, I'm so happy again that I was able to snag this piece because every time I will be visiting Louis Vuitton, this is one of the items that I will be asking them if they have this on stock. I'm going to tell more once I have opened it, so let us open guys. Of course, everyone is already familiar with the receipt, so everything is here. So are you ready guys what I got? 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Oops, it's opening. Sorry. So there, so let me just put this here. So here it is guys. So I'm sure everyone is already familiar what this could be. So this is just an SLG from Louis Vuitton. But then again guys, I'm so happy that I have this. So let us open. So I like that. By the way guys, I have a new CA at Louis Vuitton and he is very helpful. Thank you so much for helping me out. This is the first time that I've worked with him, and I'm so happy that he was actually bringing me out unicorn pieces that I never knew existed. So let me just check if there's something inside. I haven't seen this. I think this is just, you know, the plain little card that Louis Vuitton has. So I haven't opened the content, but of course I know what it is. So this is more of a reveal. So let us open. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Here she is. OMG, she smells good. Here she is guys. So it is the Louis Vuitton key pouch or the Louis Vuitton clay. Yay! I'm so excited that I was able to snag this from our local Louis Vuitton store here. So let me just take a look guys, because to be honest, when I have seen this key pouch at Louis Vuitton, when my new CA brought this out, I had never had the chance to inspect this because again I was so very excited to be getting this. The last time that I've seen a key pouch from our Louis Vuitton store was last year, and it was in graphite, and I don't have any graphite print or monogram yet in my collection. That's why I didn't take that one. But during that time the price is, I think, only around 13,000 pesos, and this is a lot more. So let me just check. So again guys, if you are wanting to purchase this from your CA or maybe from website, here is the card. So you could scan the QR code. So there she is. Coated fabric, interior is calfskin. Alright, and here is the, I think this is the product code. There. So that is the product code. I'm not sure if this is like microchip or anything. Let me just check. So it shows here guys that this is made in, my CA said it's made in France, but I couldn't read. Can you read guys? There. So I am just checking. I couldn't find the date code guys. I'm not really sure where to, or maybe it's just a little bit too dark. I'm going to check later guys, but like what I mentioned, going back to the Key Cles, I'm so excited to have this because as you know guys, every time I will be doing what fits, you know that card holder that I'm using is my YSL card holder or compact wallet, which is perfect for me. But I was thinking that I still need another card holder, and there's a flat card holder at Louis Vuitton. But of course, comparing to a flat card holder, I would rather much be happy with the Key Cles. And that is why when I have visited Louis Vuitton, I was blown away that my new CA, because I've just asked, you know, just out of curiosity, I asked it, do you have any Key Cles in monogram? And I was asking a couple of stuff. So Key Cles in monogram and the mini pochette in monogram as well, because that is also on my wish list. And he actually brought these two items out. So I was about also to order the mini pochette. Unfortunately, there are two things, or there are two reasons why I did not get that, and I'm going to make a more detailed episode on that one. But the two reasons are the price. It's super expensive now guys, and number two, it doesn't fit my phone. So that was a deal breaker for me, because I feel that if I'm going to purchase that and use it only, you know, something that I would be putting inside my bag, I feel that it would be too expensive for me. Besides, I already have my Chanel pouch. So let us style this guys. I'm super excited to be using her with my monogram bags here. Yay! Hi guys, so let us do a little bit of styling with my Louis Vuitton Key Cles. I'm so excited that I finally have her on my collection. So guys, I took a closer inspection of the date code and I was able to locate it. So I'm going to take a photo here. Although the photo that I have is a little bit blurry, it's a little bit difficult to take photo, but at least she still has a date code. So guys, when I purchased this one, I was already imagining that I would be using her in many different ways aside from just putting in my keys or my credit card. I wanted to use her as an actual bag charm. So that's why I have here my petite sac plat and of course my toiletry pouch 26. So what I was imagining, the way that I would be using her with the petite sac plat here, because as we know guys, the petite sac plat is a little bit tiny, and the space, you have to be very careful on the things that you are going to use it, because again, the space is a little bit constricted. So this is what I did guys, because the chain is a little bit longer, so I just tied it in so it would be a little bit shorter and I could carry it like this. What do you think guys? Now this got me really excited. That is one of the main reasons why I also wanted to purchase this one, because I wanted that to add more space with my petite sac plat, so I would be able to use her more. Yay! So now she's cute. She now has a baby. So now let us try her with the toiletry pouch 26. Alright, so now let us try it with the toiletry pouch 26. So I have here again my Key Cles. So this is just very easy. So as you know guys, for the toiletry pouch 26, I have already converted it with the insert. So insert is inside, as you can see here. And then of course, you could attach your any chains that you have or any shoulder strap. So what I did, of course, my favorite is attaching my chunky chain over here. I love the yellow gold chunky chain, and it comes with the circular ring here, so you could attach the Key Cles over there. So give me 1 second guys to do that. So there she is. So you could carry it like this, hanging on front or in front. So it would be a cute little bag charm for your Louis Vuitton toiletry pouch as well. What do you think guys? Please let me know. There, how did you enjoy our little unboxing for today guys? Hopefully you enjoyed that one. Me personally, I'm super happy because this is one of a little pre-birthday gift for myself. And I'm so excited that finally I have a Key Cles. It's very difficult to find. And now I will be able to use more of my bags because I will be using her as a bag charm as well. Yay! Alright, so again guys, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on Instagram.com/Ramir5 so you can get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank yous for staying with me, guys, in this episode for today. Please stay safe. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. I'm going to see everyone soon. Bye!